Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transform any photo into a beautiful Christmas vibe create using PixVerse. It's super simple, beginner friendly, and the result will look amazing for social media or holiday posts. Okay, let's get started. First, just open PixVerse. You can use either the web versions or the PixVerse app like this. And then next, just simply log in using your Google account. And don't worry, PixVerse will give you free daily credit so you can generate these effects without paying anything. And then next, after you log in, just go straight to the template sections. This one, just tap on it, and then just go to Nano Image. This one, and then on here, just find the effect that called Christmas Vibe Grid. This one. This is the template we're going to use. It designed to create a cozy aesthetic Christmas collage effect. It's perfect maybe for Instagram, TikTok, or even as a digital Christmas card. And then next, just simply tap on use template like this. And then next, just upload your picture. Just choose the photo that you want to transform into a Christmas grid. This can be a selfie, a couple photo of maybe your pet photo, or even any photo will work. And then next, like this. And then after that, when you're done selected the photo, just simply tap on create. It will take 15 credits. Just tap on it. Like this, and then just wait for the process. Okay, your image is ready. Let's try to watch it. Okay, like this, there it is. Your Christmas vibe grid is ready. Just look at this, the warm glow, the Christmas photo with ornaments, and then it has this soft color palette. It looks super festive and honestly give that cozy holiday mood. And then next, if you like it, you can download it and then just share it directly to your social media. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.